Hi everyone, this is Ellie Sparkles. Today, we're here with Bella and Zoe who are getting ready to go on a sleigh ride. And I have a very special surprise for them. Are you ready? It's a special magic banana. It's the most powerful magic banana in the world. So powerful that you can only eat just a little bit at a time. If you eat too much of the magic banana, something super silly could happen. Hey, wait! It's Mia the purple fingerling. Hey there, Mia. Hey! Mia took the magic banana. Mia is going to eat the whole banana. But it's so magical. I don't know what's going to happen. Let's see. Wow! Mia turned into a giant sparkly Mia play-doh. That's super silly. It's purple just like Mia is. Mia looks adorable as a play-doh monkey. Let's open it up. First, here's her cute little monkey feet. And next is her sparkly legs. Then, her monkey tummy. That's where the bananas go. Here's my favorite part. Her squiggly tail that she uses to hang upside down with. It's so long and sparkly. Her arms are next. These are the sparkliest, glitteriest of all. Now, her big purple body. And her two little ears that she hears with. One mouth and nose to taste and smell with. Two eyes to see her monkey friends with. Wow! Her pink hair is so fuzzy. I love it. And of course her face. And now the best part, we get to take off all this play-doh. If you know what color this play-doh is, let me know in the comments. The play-doh is so squishy and fun. Don't you just love play-doh? It looks like there are a lot of surprises in this egg. Let's open it up and see. The first thing we'll open is this Fingerling toy. It's pink and her name is Candy. What a sweet name. Candy is sweet and so are Fingerlings. Her blue hair even looks like cotton candy. Candy loves to play monkey games. And of course, hang upside down. All Fingerlings love to hang upside down. I think she wants to sit with Zoe and Bella and watch us open the rest of the surprise toys. Zoe and Bella are excited to meet their new friend. Now, what should we open next? I think this is our little sister's surprise. There is a clue in here. Let's see what it is. The clue is sports and star. Sports star. This LOL doll must really love sports. What sport do you think she likes? Let's keep going so we can find out. Oh yeah! I forgot that the LOL sister dolls change colors when you put them in water. Let's open the pink LOL ball and see what's inside. The first bag is usually boots or shoes. These are little green shoes that are the same color as Zoe. Sorry, Zoe. I don't think they'll fit your monkey feet. What's in the next bag? Aw, it's a little bag that the little sister can go in. It looks like a soccer ball. How cute! She must love soccer. I think this bag is finally our little sister. And it's Little Kix. Little Kix loves to play ball, especially soccer. I love her light blue diaper. Let's put her shoes on. She looks so adorable in tightening her shoes, doesn't she? It matches her diaper. Even better, she looks perfect in her soccer bag. You can put her in it and take her wherever you go. It's a carrying case that she loves to sleep in. This little sister's surprise was perfect. But we have more toys to open. The next thing is a Squish-Delish blind bag. These are the squishiest toys ever. We got a crazy phone. He's so silly. Ring ring, Ellie Sparkle's calling. Can I help you? This phone is so fun for a game of pretend. But it's also fun for a game of Squish the Squish-Delish. It's a pretty blue like Ava, and it has pink eyes like Bella's fur. That's the greatest! Time for our very last toy now. It's a Kinder Egg surprise. These are great because it has candy and a toy. Look at all this yummy chocolate. Let's open this egg and see what's inside. Here is a flyer. It looks like we got a motorcycle. Let's see what color it is. Wow, it's red. That's an awesome color. It looks so great with both of these black wheels. We're all set and ready to ride. The wheels go super fast. Can you see that? It reminds me of the super fast Lightning McQueen. Now, is that all of the toys? It looks like the egg is empty. But wait a second. Where's Mia? There she is, silly girl. You ate that magic banana and turned into a giant egg. But at least we got so many cool toys from it. And a new Fingerling friend. Thanks everyone for playing with me today. The Fingerlings will have so much fun sleigh riding with their new friend Candy. If you want to have more fun, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Keep watching and join me for our next amazing adventure.